स्टेनोमेनिया डिक्टेशंस विद फ्लक्चुएशंस ट्रांसक्रिप्शन और सॉल्यूशन के लिए हमारे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप से जुड़िए जिसका नाम है स्टेनोमेनिया डिक्टेशन, जिसका लिंक मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स और कमेंट्स में दे दूँगा। तो आप ज्वाइन कीजिए, आपको बहुत बेनिफिट होगा। मैं स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ 80 की स्पीड से और ये एडिटोरियल मैटर है। स्टार्ट। Crushing sound disturbs the tranquility of the mountains in Gangani town, situated over 6,000 feet above sea level in Uttarakhand. It was the sound of a helicopter ferrying pilgrims shattering in the valley, leaving 6 dead. The accident, which took place on the morning of May 8, just 8 days after the Char Dham Yatra began, made headlines. Gangani is known for its hot water springs and is the gateway to Gangotri in the Himalayas, where Hindu pilgrims worship at the temple there dedicated to the goddess Ganga. The river originates about 20 kilometers upstream from here at the Gurumukh Glacier. Gangotri is the second pilgrimage spot of the Char Dham, or 4 religious spots for Hindus: Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath and Badrinath. On the same day that the chopper crushed some 180 kilometers from Gangani at Shastradhara in Dehradun, Mala Patel, in her 70s, is eagerly waiting for her chopper to arrive from the Himalayan Heli Services tour operator. She had flown all the way from Florida in the US to take the yatra, which runs for 6 months every year from April or May to October or November. Those sitting in my chopper were in a dilemma about flying to the temples after the crush, but it was sure. My conviction grew stronger when I saw that the pilot was wearing a sandalwood tikka on his forehead and held Rudraksh beads in his hands, just like Lord Shiva. For a moment it felt as if the god himself had come to fly me to his abode in Kedarnath, says Mala, a chartered accountant. Known as the backbone of Uttarakhand's economy, each year the Char Dham Yatra sees larger crowds than the previous year. This year the footfall has been over 32 lakh in the first 50 days. Tragically, this year the pilgrimage has seen 5 chopper accidents in less than 2 months, with 13 lives lost. The privately owned companies offering Char Dham tours on choppers, which cost anything between 2 lakh and 2.5 lakh per person, say that the accidents meant many cancellations, but there were still enough to keep their businesses afloat. Helicopters are the quickest, most convenient way to get to the temples, all in the high Himalayas, until about a decade ago The journey by road and then the trek up to the gods took 10 to 12 days across the Gorwal region of Uttarakhand. With more and more people visiting, the queues lengthened, entailing a wait of 2 to 6 hours outside the temple for the glimpse of God. The central government has announced a ropeway which will take more people to the area. Naman Garg, 36, who works in a Hyderabad-based tech company, had booked a Char Dham Yatra package in a chopper for his family at about 13 lakh. His wife-in-laws and 2 other relatives accompanied Garg. It took them 4 days to complete the pilgrimage. I get limited leave every year and I need to save some up for health emergencies and some for the children. For working people like me, chopper services work well rather than all the time it takes to trek to the Char Dham. Naman says he feels the gods don't force people to sweet to meet them. He has been saving money to take the yatra for months. When Indians can spend so much on weddings, then why not on spiritual journeys, which are equally important, he adds. The all-weather road, the construction of which began in 2016, he has made the journey smoother, but the frequent landslides that occur in the hills due to the construction and the fact that the Himalayas are young mountains has added to the woe of pilgrims. In peak yatra season, the road to Chamoli, Rudraprayag and Uttrakshi, the 3 districts that house the 4 temples, remains packed day and night. The services included in the Char Dham Yatra package in a chopper are an attraction for pilgrims, says Rajneesh Sarkar, 48, who has been living in Singapore since 1999 and took the yatra on her 25th wedding anniversary last season. Sarkar, who claims she has been religious since childhood, was drawn further into the faith after she suffered a serious ailment over a decade ago. Since then, she has visited Devi in Jammu and Kashmir on a chopper every year. She says she has been to almost all the major temples in India and then came to take a dip in the Ganga during the Mahakumbh that took place in January-February this year in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. Some Char Dham Yatra packages include hotels and a VIP darshan where pilgrims can cut the queue and view the idol in a few minutes of landing. The hotels they had booked were so comfortable. The VIP darshan, even the special purifying the idol at Kedarnath was soil stirring, says Sarkar, who in one day went to the temple 8 times, twice on a VIP pass arranged by the operator. She feels choppers are a boon for elderly and ailing pilgrimage. Stop.